Welcome everybody, and this is our road to sick week. It's a cold morning here in Kentucky, cars crossing over. We gotta go pick up the rest of the crew. It's 5:30 in the morning, start heading to Florida. We got about a 13-hour drive, so let's go pick them up and let's go. So we got the whole crew together and it already started out bad. Let me show you. Looks like I'm putting taillights on my truck. The trailer was too close and it came over and hit it. So in the parking lot of Cracker Barrel before we ate, we took the Sawzall to it and cut it off. So hopefully that's the worst thing that happens on this trip, but we're only 45 minutes from home so far. We had to eat. We got the whole crew. Look, there's one over there getting his stuff out. So let's get this trip on to Florida because it's getting cold. Bookies! Look, your favorite, a beaver. Ooh, that's a smooth beaver too. It's like heaven. So guys, we had to make a stop at Summit before we go to finish sick week. We're halfway there. Another 6 hours we'll be in Florida. So we're gonna try to find something, make sure we don't need nothing while we're here. Well guys, we finally made it to the hotel, and it looks like we've got, well, you can't see because it's dark, but we got, looks like other sick weekers here. There's more way over there. We're taking the slicks in, took all the fuel cans off, but I'm gonna go in tomorrow's registration.
16 fucking hours.
16-hour drive, but we'll be fine.
Okay.
But we'll see y'all first thing in the morning. So everybody, welcome to registration day for sick week. As you can tell, there is a lot of cars. I don't even know if you can see me the way it is. Unfortunately, we already lost a fuel sensor, we found out. Luckily, we have fuel pressure, just lost the sensor. We have a spare. So we're gonna get tech line. Steve over here is gonna walk around, film for it a little bit, try to get teched in.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name, check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change, possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quench the thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic, with this logic you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic. Built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah. I've been doing this, I'm on it. I just wanna be iconic. Sipping on a gin and tonic, got me going off when I'm on this topic, yeah. If I ever play, I want it. You know that I'm always honest. Stay away from those who are toxic. Keep them out your face, no way, you don't want them, yeah. Don't try to drain my energy. The enemy is everything. It's mentally, unhealthily, spreading like a rare disease. But I won't let it get to me. I don't need your therapy. I can leave a legacy of leading by intensity. Come on, we can fight this. Freedom is priceless. Spread just like a virus. Living in a crisis. Do you feel courageous? Do you seek greatness? Trust me, you can take it. Go on and take your aim. Yeah. Built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the gas, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah. Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe. There's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need. We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
So guys, it's been a very eventful time already. We had to change the belts in my car because I didn't have a crotch belt. The belts we went and bought wouldn't line up with my other ones. So we got the belts changed over. The car's already switched over to ready to race. We're adding a little bit more. But it's been very eventful trying to get those seat belts in already. The car is not the easiest to get the belts in and out. Man, look at my beard. But we should be going to the lane soon, try to do some testing, and then from there we might load it back up and go back to the hotel, but we'll see.
Never run them before this year and decided to try his hand at rowdy radio. Once again, if you're on lanes 3 and 4, please be suited up and ready to go. If you're on lanes 3 and 4, please be suited up and ready to go.
So guys, day one is coming to an end. We ran a 924, 140 something on 22 pounds. So definitely not turned up at all. We're saving that for tomorrow. Steve's gonna put all the coals to it tomorrow.
Not all of it.
Steve's gonna put most of the coals to it tomorrow.
Some of it. Some of it's a better description.
Some of it. Maybe one more degree of timing?
Nope.
He said no timing.
Not yet.
Not yet, he says. So, but it did what we wanted. It went down. It didn't. It dead hooked and kind of lugged the engine down. So, guys, we'll see you tomorrow for the actual day one of sick week. Be here nice and early. So, till tomorrow.